How to open Telegram account without number. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I will guide you on how you can actually open Telegram account without number, so make sure to watch the video till the end. So if you have been trying to use Telegram but then you don't have a phone number, so which means that you want to open without a phone number, but as and when I start the Telegram app, you can see it will ask me to enter a phone number. There is no option to go and enter an email address, but there only is the option to actually enter a phone number. Bottom line is you can't open Telegram account without a phone number. But if you don't have a real phone number for some reason, you can still create an account using virtual phone numbers that are available, and they are completely legal. I'm not going to describe them in this video for other reasons, but if you are interested in that, you should be able to actually search them on Google. You will also receive the verification code on those virtual numbers for the free ones that you can use, and then from there you can start using Telegram. This way you can open Telegram account without number. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you soon in the next video.